Ever tried giving a tiny, fluffy cloud a head massage? Well, meet Snowball, the most dramatic white puppy on the planet. And today, he's about to experience pure bliss, or utter betrayal. Laughs. At first, he's like, "What are you doing, human?" But then, oh, wait, that feels kind of nice. A little ear scratch here, a gentle rub there, and bam, his tiny eyes start closing like a sleepy baby. See, moments like this is how trust is built. Gentle touch, patience, and lots of love. Because pets aren't just animals, they're family. And a little respect goes a long way in making them feel safe and loved.